Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn different export settings in Adobe Premiere Rush. Here, I have opened this project, and to export, click on Share button. And here, in the file name, you can edit name. Here, I would like to give it as letter, and then save to. Here you can change the saving path, click on it, and you can locate any other folder or any other drive. Here I located D drive, and click on advanced settings. Here you will have different options. By automatically all settings are stored here. You can also change here, and then resolution. Here you can change the resolution. By default it will be in 1080 according to your source. Based on the source it will show here, and you can change if you wish. It is better to stick with the source settings because they will be original and video quality will be better. And in audio channel you can select mono or stereo or no sound. If you wish to have no sound, select no sound. If your audio is mono, then select mono. In quality you can select between these three options. It is better to keep in high. So in this way you can here modify export settings and click on export finally here, and it will export to the selected path. So in this way you can easily modify different export settings in Adobe Premiere Rush. That's all friends, bye.